Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take down my hairstyle that I have been, been rocking for the last 4 weeks now, full month, a little bit over a week. So it's almost like a month and a week or a week and a half or so. And I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment. I have it here. It's in water. Here it is. You see the water dripping because it's sitting in warm water, so I'm using the double boil method. But we're gonna do the hot oil with just a little bit of a twist today. I've never done it that way, but I think most of you guys, that's how you might be doing your hot oil treatments. I don't know, you must let me know in the comment section. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Before we actually start, I want to give a few people a shout out. Ziki Swat just went to go follow me on Instagram, so shout out to you. Swat, yes. And then it's your girl Chi. She's back. The world swallowed her a bit, but now she's back. And then the person I actually promised that I'm going to give a shout out. I used to do shout outs, you guys, but I stopped because I felt like I was butchering you guys' names. So I felt bad, honestly speaking. I was feeling bad, and hence why I stopped doing. I think it's Lungelo. It's Lungelo. And Hlengiwe, hi girl. Ashley, hey. Let me see. And Twaro. Yes, Twaro said she's from Twaro Rem. I hope I'm saying your name right. I really hope I am. If I'm not, sorry. She said she's from Botswana. Okay, let's not make this video long. I'm gonna try to keep it under 10 minutes if I can, if possible. So let me zoom you guys in, switch to voiceover, take down this hairstyle, give you guys my thoughts over voiceover, and then we're gonna come back and do a hot oil treatment. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I take down this hairstyle. In case some of you guys were not sure how to do it, you are going to need a pair of sharp scissors, and then you are going to try to find a piece maybe that's sticking out. If not, then you're gonna have to somewhat like take your time and figure out where is the best space to cut your hair. I cut my hair while I was looking down, so I wasn't able to put that in a shot, but basically just find a piece of wool that you can see and cut there, and then you'll be able to unravel your hair just like so. And then once you get to the part that is actually kind of connected to your scalp, that's where you might have a little bit of trouble, as I did. And I had to cut my hair like piece by piece by piece, not my hair, the thread piece by piece by piece, instead of like being able to just kind of pulling it out just, yeah, I think it was already tangled with my hair at this point in time. I mean, I did use one of it and not like two. So then we're going to move on to my hot oil treatment. And you guys know that I love using flexi gel as my, as my detangler. But because I was lazy, I just decided to do a coconut and sweet almond oil. You guys know that coconut oil is a very penetrative oil, and it's great if it's used as a pre-poo instead of it being left on your hair. It actually helps to deep condition your hair, to promote growth and other good stuff, honestly speaking. It also helps to reduce protein loss in your hair, and it prevents dandruff. But I just use it mostly for detangling my hair, and I use it as a hot oil treatment. But for this video, as mentioned, I'm going to be adding a little bit of deep conditioner to this. So this is how my hair and my ends look like at the end. My ends were not as damaged as I thought they would be. As a matter of fact, they weren't at all. They just look dry in this image, that's all. And hence why I wanted to do a moisture intense deep condition / pre-poo, and like also it's a hot oil treatment for my hair, because it was desperately thirsty, and I felt like this was definitely going to quench that. And I left it on my hair I actually left it for more than 8 hours in my hair, because I decided just to run my errands with it, because my blow dryer stopped working for a second and I got discouraged and didn't do my hot oil treatment, and I just used body heat. So I'm showing you guys from a different angle here. I would say please schedule your hot oil treatments every time you are going to wash your hair. I know some of you guys wash your hair once a month, so imagine like the benefits of doing this compared to somebody who doesn't do it at all. This is great, especially because we are also in the winter time. This will help to strengthen your hair, and I'm experimenting, trying to figure out how to use oils in my hair instead of just using them when I moisturize my hair. So far, I've been loving doing this, and I like it. However, I miss the flaxseed concoction with my coconut oil, but so far so good. I liked it, and my hair felt very, very nourished just from doing this. So you guys must let me know if you're gonna try it below. Okay, you guys, I am done with my hair. I have been, you know, that afterglow you get after you go on your period. You feel so beautiful. That's how I feel right now. So I will do close-ups obviously to show you guys how my hair looks like, and then you guys will see that. Let's just discuss a few things. Shedding. Okay, this is the amount of shedding I receive. Let me tell you something. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm so happy, and the reason I say I'm happy is because normally if I were to go into a protective styling, I would get more than this. Okay, this is normal shedding, so you must remember, you know, just a science facts, some facts. Let me just hit you up with some facts. We shed about 100 hairs each day. Okay, so imagine 4 weeks times like whatever 7 days. Okay, that is a lot of days. It's like 31 days of shed hairs. So this is shed hair and hairs, and it's not broken hair. So you must make sure that you can see when your hair is breaking versus when it's shedding. When it's shedding, it's natural, it just glides out of your hair. Okay, and when it's broken, you will kind of see your, I don't know if you guys inspect your hair, but I inspect my hair. You can kind of see if it was broken from, you know, maybe dryness, or maybe you were too rough when you're taking down your hair. That's when you know your hair is broken. This, on the other hand, is healthy shedding, and you guys can tell the amount is also quite small. So I'm really, really happy. Would I recommend this hairstyle? 100%. The only disadvantage to it is that don't wear the hairstyle for 4 weeks like I did, because then, especially have dark hair, you can't see the wool. I couldn't see the wool, and my hair started to do that thing where like it kind of, not matte, but it grew on top of the wool, and then that was kind of a problem. And I think there was like one line that I had to ask my sister to come take out for me because I couldn't see the difference, and also because it was arm day yesterday and my arms were just not having it. So it took me about an hour 45 minutes. I watched the Real Housewives of Lagos, and I also watched the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp trial. Also, vote. Let me know. Are you guys following the trial? Because it is amazing. I absolutely love it. I think I gave you guys enough information over my voiceover. Then the other thing, when I sat down to record this video, I wanted to do my flexi gel. But the efforts and the time it takes to do your flexi gel, I was just like, I'm not about that life. So that's why I decided to use a conditioner this time. And you guys know I've never done this before. I normally use a flexi gel and my coconut, and I did mention that I use coconut oil and sweet almond oil as my oils, and then I use the conditioner. The reason why I use the conditioner is because my hair was really thirsty and I needed something, and honestly speaking, I really would have loved if it was flexi gel, but so then it popped in my mind. Then something popped in my mind. I was like, I'm just gonna ask you guys, if I were to make you guys flexi gel and let's say sell it for like, I don't know, 80 rand or whatever, in like a maybe 200 ml bottle or 125 ml, would you guys buy that? And I'm asking this because I got lazy as I was walking to the kitchen to go do that whole shebang. I mean, you guys know I'm the queen of DIY, but really sometimes not everybody got time for that. So if I were, this is just a proposal, just a question, just trying to hear your response. Okay, so please comment if you're watching this video and you're scared to comment, or if you've never commented before. Trust me, I don't bite. I'm very nice. You can ask them. Let me know if that's something you would actually buy, or you just like, Nazi, you're wasting your time, and that's just I'm not going to get offended. So even if you don't think it's a good idea, let me know. I don't get, you know, I'm not going to get offended like I mentioned. So let me know in the comment section if that's something that you would be interested in. If I put it up on my website like I did with the natural hair calendar, which is obviously still available, but right now my website is down because it's under construction. I've got some new things coming on for you guys, so you must let me know if that's something that you might like, because because I really don't mind if, you know, I'm gonna make a profit from it and I'm helping you guys in turn. So let me know if that's something that you might want in the future, especially given the fact that it's winter and, not gonna lie, your hair needs to be hydrated. And for me, I felt like my deep conditioner can do that, but we know that that flexi gel concoction situation with the coconut oil, top tier, baby, top tier. It's like elite, literally, that's what it is. So then the other thing is that in my next video, you guys, we are doing a review. We're doing a review. I've always wanted to do this review. I'm super excited for it. So I can't even speak anymore. I'm super excited for it. So I will definitely see you guys in my next video. On a normal day, I would sleep with this on and take it off the following day, but because it's a deep conditioner and I don't want to have, if it was coconut, if it was flexi gel, I would sleep with it, but it is conditioner. I'm not going to sleep with conditioner on my hair because it's not a overnight treatment, for example. It's a conditioner. So I'm just going to sit for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then rinse it off and then continue with my life. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.